I want to talk about our process and how we go about removing infringing sellers on Amazon. Now, after we have our client call, we speak with them. They tell us their registered trademark. They provide us with any test buys that they have, and we form the client attorney relationship. The next thing to do is to begin drafting what we call a cease and desist letter. Basically, we're going to identify our legal basis as to why we believe that infringing seller should remove their items immediately and should never sell them ever again. In the letter, we include the registered trademark, relevant case law, and it could be either if they're selling counterfeit items. We could include the materially different argument, as I explained in one of my previous videos. And sometimes we have clients that come to us and say, why can't you just report them immediately? Because we're not in the business of cutting sellers' legs off. We give everybody an opportunity to remove themselves from the online platform that they are selling on, and a lot of times they apologize and they remove the listings on their own. So sometimes you don't even have to escalate the matter, and it's really the best way of coming to an amicable resolution.